Good morning, my babies. The annoying girl that make us call in the building. You ordered them. Damn, girl. Guys, good morning. It's just a quick little video. I really just wanted to give me a second. I really just wanted to talk a little bit about karma. You know, it's such a real thing, and most people don't take it seriously. But I do, and I've seen it worked out so many times. Even with me, all the time people do wicked things. I'm not do nothing. I just sit it out. I'm going to see playback upon them. You understand? Like, it just come back around upon them wicked. So for me, and my advice to you guys, just try and live good and do the right things then, because when you do not, those things will come back around on you. Even if a 5 year or 10 year or 1 year, sometimes you have to know, sometimes you either say to God, God, what make me go through this? And you never remember say you do somebody something that was not right, like a couple of months ago. Like I saw karma work. Check it out. Check this. If I see some baby father, I'm always using my friend and tell him, you know. Some baby father, what this them baby mother, right? This them left them for your next girl, left them with the baby and stuff like that. They think they get away with it, right? But maybe a year or two after, the woman what they would know, they give them born cheap on them. They have financial problems. The woman want left them because of it. Like it's the karma coming back on them and they don't even know. So, you know, note to self and note to you guys, live good. No bother with the bad mind art and the negativity. Karma will come back on you.